Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Cliff, and in this episode, I'm going to be working on this Ferris wheel seat. So there's quite a few things that I want to do to this. I want to eventually make it into a functioning piece of furniture. I would like it to swing like a regular Ferris wheel seat. I gotta make it a limit so you don't rock too far back and you don't go too far forward. This Ferris wheel seat in particular was rejected due to compromised structure. It has cracks where stuff was mounted to. If you look close, you can see cracks around the holes. A lot of the rivets are stretched through. I can just reshoot those and make it functioning again to where it'll hold people no problem. I'm going to go ahead and repair visual stuff that I don't want there anymore. I'm going to go ahead and take a plate, reskin this part right here, pound out some of the dents. The other side's severely dented. It's got a whole bulge just coming in, like it was just like slammed to the side or it was crushed. So I'm going to pull that out, skin over it. I have a bunch of this 1/8 aluminum plate. I'm just going to cut that corner off to round it to go ahead and match where the rivets go. I'll probably end up taking this one off and just replacing it with this. There's a few things, like got some dents, big old scratches on the backside. I don't even know what that's from. Tubing, I can't really do a whole lot except for maybe just like form a piece and like skin it over to where the dent's not there, but you'll see the plate over it. So I think something to kind of blend it in, look like it's kind of like natural. Whatever I do to one side, do the same thing on the other side. So if I got a scratch here, if I cover that, I got to cover it over here too. So this one's kind of tricky because there's scratches right here and there's big old gouges right here. So maybe I'll go ahead and plate this part, then this part. I'll see if I can get it close up here for you so you can see what I'm talking about. With this, I gotta make the footrest eventually. Before I get to that, I wanna make sure everything's structurally sound and it's looking good. This is not my typical kind of work, but it's what I want to do. And with this is all aluminum. I gotta kind of be a little delicate. I'm usually working with steel, so this stuff is really soft and very delicate. So let's go ahead and get into it.
So that's all the time I have for this video. There are quite a few repairs, as you can see the big dent right there. I don't know if I'm going to plate that over with some aluminum, copper, brass. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Most of the top rail is pretty good except for that dent, and then right here you can't really see the scratches until the shadow comes over the scratches. You'll see in this one. Big old scratch. So I'm probably gonna have to plate that over, like I said, with brass copper, kind of give it like a different kind of pop to it. I want to make this project look kind of a classic, unique kind of look. I'll probably sand it down. I was thinking maybe like a brushed or a polished finish when I'm done. Like I said, let me know if you want to see more of this content. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching.